Hello. Today I have a 2011 Porsche 3.6 engine, and I have code P0455. And then after this code, I got, I think, P065E, something like that. I'll write it down on the description. So, what I start with, of course, I checked the fuel cap and it was good. And then I checked the barrel valve and I tested with a 12 volt to see if I can blow air in, and then before you test it with a 12 volt, it should be locked. When you tested the 12 volt and then you blow in air, the air should go through. So I tested this one and it was working. Then I did a smoke test and there was no smoke. The system was sealed. Then I went back to do the test. Instead of closing the vent valve, I went back to check the LTP pump, or lead detection pump, so I can do smoke test from the hose that coming from the vacuum pump. Look what I found here. This one, by the way, is not under the wheel. When I did my search, it says under the passenger side wheel liner, but it was actually in the behind the rear bumper right here. I removed the metal cover. This is the charcoal canister, and this is the detection bomb. Look what I found. It was wet. So what that mean? I disconnected the hose, the little hose that going on top of the bomb. And it was leaking oil. So what that mean? The hose on top is coming from the vacuum bomb, which is the one right there. This is the hose that going to the back, I believe, and this is the vacuum bomb. So that vacuum bomb, because now it's sucking oil, that means the oil pump seal is damaged and it starts sucking oil from the engine to the lead detection pump. And the other code, because the P065E, I believe, that was the tuning valve, which is a valve connected to the manifold on the rear of the manifold, which is the one, I don't know if you can see, it's down here behind this harness. Yeah, this one right there doesn't get enough vacuum, or maybe also the oil enter inside. So that's why I have the code, the P065E. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to replace this vacuum pump and the leak detection bulb, and of course the canister, because it's gonna be full of oil. Then I'm gonna clean the lines from the oil, and then I'm gonna erase the code, and I believe it should be good to go. After that, I'm gonna do another test, and I'll tell you the update on the description. If you have any question, comment below. Please like and subscribe for more video. Thanks.